learners. Thank you for the work that you did last time. I was told very many people were following, and that was great. I want to start from where we left last time about surface area, and today we are talking about the surface area of a cylinder. So I want us to talk about like 3 cylinders, and before that I just want us to remind ourselves whether we know what a cylinder is. So let me pose this question to you. What's a cylinder? A cylinder is just a simple thing. For example, if you have a book or any rectangular figure like this, if you choose to fold it like this, it will form a cylinder. So this is what we call a cylinder. So a cylinder can have a lid at the bottom and another lid at the top. It will be called a closed cylinder. It can also have a lid only at the bottom. It will be called an open cylinder. And when it does not have a lid, like this of mine, it does not have a lid, it's a throughway. This one is called just a curved surface, or you can call it a pipe. So I want us to start with the first one, a closed cylinder. A closed cylinder, and I know you know this is what a cylinder is at home. This is a cylinder. You can call it a bucket or anything in this shape. It's called a cylinder. So you can get the diameter or the measurement here, and then you are able to get its surface area. So that's what I want us to do together. So let's focus here now. Closed cylinder. It looks like this. It has the bottom here, a lid at the bottom. So because a lid is something of this kind, a circle, and we learn and we know what a circle is and how to get the area of a circle. Remember we say to get the area of a circle is pi r squared. So if you look at our cylinder, there's a circular thing of this kind at the bottom. So we are going to get its area, then we get the area of the curved surface. So this curved or folded surface is going to be pi dh, but this circular part here is going to be pi r squared. So if a closed cylinder, it means it has two tins, or rather 2 lids at the top and at the bottom. So we have another lid here and another one here. So this is also going to be pi r squared. The other one is also pi r squared. That means we have 2 pi r squared. So how are we going to get the area? We are going to get the area of the 2 circles, which is 2 pi r squared. Then we add to the area of the curve, which is pi dh. So for example, we have For example, we have this circle has a diameter of 28 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So what is its surface area? We start by writing down the formula. Surface area of a closed cylinder is equals to 2 circles, 2 pi r squared, plus the curved surface, pi dh, which is going to be 2 times pi is 22/7 times radius. Diameter is 28, and that means radius will be half of the diameter, 14 by 14 square centimeter. Then you add 2, open another bracket, pi, which is 22/7 times diameter, which is 28 times the height, which is 10. Close the bracket. So after that, we work out now. You simplify 7 1, 7 2. So 2 by 22 is 44, by 22 is 88. By 14, that will give you 1232 squared centimeters, plus this is 1, that is 412 square centimeters. So that one will give you the area, surface area of this closed cylinder. Let's move to example 2. Open cylinder is our number 2 now. Open cylinder. Open cylinder means, like this is my cylinder here. Open, there is no lid at the top, but we have a circular part at the bottom. That's why we call it open. Therefore, this circular part here, we are going to use pi r squared. Then this curved surface here, pi dh. Therefore, what's the formula? Pi r squared for the bottom plus pi dh for the curved surface. So let us now work it out. 22 over 7 by, radius would be 7, by another radius 7 square centimeters, plus pi dh, 22 over 7 times diameter, which is 14, by height, which is 20, also square centimeters. That is 1, that's 1. So 22 by 7, 154 square centimeters, plus 7172. 22 by 2, 44 by 20, 880 square centimeters. Then we put it together, this by this, we are going to have 4, 3, 0, 10 square centimeters. That one will give us the surface area of this open cylinder. Let's move to the last one, which is the curved surface. In this one, now we talk about the third one, the curved surface. Curved surface means it is only the part, only this part here that we are touching. It lacks the leads at the ends. So no lead at this end and at this end. It's just a through way. So that's what we call a pipe or curved surface. So how do we get it? Remember, we have nothing here and we have nothing here. So what we have is only this part here, curved surface. Therefore, pi dh. So for example, in our case, we have the diameter to be 21 and we have the length to be 2 meters. What you need to know, first of all, you must work with the same units. Therefore, you are going to change 2 meters into centimeters because the diameter is given to centimeters. Therefore, what are we going to do? We are going to change 2 meters into centimeters. So 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 200 meters will give you 200 centimeters. 2 meters will give you 200 centimeters. So we are going to have 200 centimeters as the height instead of 2 meters. Now let's start working out. Pi dh is our formula. So 22 over 7 by diameter, which is 21, by height, which is 200 centimeters. So everything here is squared. So 7173. 22 by 3 is 66. This one will give you 66. 66 by 2 now. You get 12. 2. You get 13. Therefore, we have 13, 200 square centimeters. That one will give us the area of this curved surface. For listening, and learners, I would like you to attempt these 3 questions. I would like you to attempt these 3 questions and check whether you are now conversant with the surface area. Otherwise, thank you. See you next time.